Hello all and welcome to Grassroot Food Lab. Does everything look lemony to you? That's because I'm going to share something refreshing, that is lemon cake. A guilty-free dessert. In fact, it's so light and less sugary that you can take it for breakfast as well. I will show you how to bake it without an oven. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
For the moist lemon cake, I have taken milk 1 cup, flour 2/3 cup. I've added half teaspoon of baking soda with it, sugar 2/3 cup again, butter 30 grams, 3 eggs separated, juice from 2 large lemons and 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. So we need to clean the lemons properly in warm water.